Welcome to the Homemaking and Gardening channel. In today's video, we shall be showing how to repot and restore an almost dead succulent plant. Our succulents, which are indoor plants, were growing merrily and healthily in our home until this March, when a huge heat wave hit our area, and then it was followed by incessant rains, and due to excessive humidity and fluctuations of the humidity and temperature levels frequently, our plants started to show signs of decaying. The leaves started to fall off, and then that's when we decided that we should be going for repotting and restoring of our beautiful succulents. We thought of recording our journey of restoring the succulents. So let's see what we did in order to bring up our succulents in a healthy state once again. Let's start the video. As we all know, the succulents are plants which grow healthily in arid areas as well as alpine rocky areas. It bears special kind of tissues in its leaf and stem areas which helps them to retain water. Here you can see we have taken out both the succulents from the potting mix, and here are the succulent plants. You can see the roots are very fine in this case. Just look at the plant. Handle the succulents very delicately and gently because they are indeed very delicate. So first of all, you can see there are a lot of dry leaves, so we have to remove them off. Also, there are some decayed leaves. You can just touch them and they will fall off, though they are green in color. Just see, once you touch the decaying leaves, they just, without any pressure, they just fall off. So we are removing the leaves gently. See, there's also a baby succulent plant, so we'll just keep it aside. We'll take care of it later. These are the decaying leaves. Only the healthy leaves should remain. See how fine the roots are? They are just hair-like and short. Now we will be taking pots. These pots have holes at the bottom, and we will be putting first a green net at the bottom of the pot, and we are just cutting it as per the shape of the pot with a scissor, and then we need to place the net inside the pot. So we have placed the green net inside, and now we have to put in the potting mix. Now we'll prepare the potting mix. So we have taken cinders of sizes 4 to 8 millimeter, that's 90%, and also 10% of leaf compost, which is like we should be mixing them together. Now this leaf compost is of low nutrition value, but then it acts as a conditioner to the potting mix we are using. So we shall be using leaf compost as well. So let's mix them up together. Mix them with hand properly. Now we shall be taking one pot and then fill half of the pot with the potting mix. Just gently tap. Now half of the pot is filled with the potting mix of cinder as well as the leaf compost. Here again the same thing in the second pot. Half of it is filled with the potting mix. Now the first one we are taking and gently putting at the center of the pot. Now the rest half of the pot shall be filled with the potting mix once again. So this time we have to be very careful as not to hurt the roots or the leaves of the plant. So just gently with the help of a small spoon we gently put the potting mix inside the pot and make the plant more stable. So our potting of the first succulent is done. Now we start repotting of the second succulent. So it was half filled with the potting mix. Again the same method we follow. We have to place gently the plant in the center of the pot and then add the rest of the potting mix gently into the pot. So the potting of our second plant is done as well. Now we should be treating the plant potting mix with fungicide, and we should ensure that we don't submerge the leaves with water. Okay, only the potting mix should go inside the fungicide liquid. So in a liter of water we add 1 gram of fungicide here. So as per the proportion you should be adding the same into the mix or the liquid that you are using. Now gently drop in the plant pot inside the fungicide liquid. So you can see with time the fungicide liquid will enter the pot and it will start filling up the pot until the level of the fungicide rises up till the surface of the potting mix, and that's when we should stop. We should not allow the fungicide mix to touch the leaves during this time. So we should be protecting our leaves. So once our fungicide has already touched the surface area of the potting mix, we will be taking the pot off the fungicide water, drain all the excess water, and then yes, our treatment with fungicide is done as well. So we'll continue with the second pot in the same manner, dipping the pot gently inside the fungicide liquid and then allow the potting mix to be soaked into fungicide water, and once it reaches the surface of the potting mix we shall be taking the pot out gently so that the leaves don't touch the fungicide mix. So the treatment of the second plant is done as well. Our succulents are now restored and repotted. and we need to place it in a very well air circulated area, so that's how it will survive. You should be taking care of it as well and pouring all love to the succulent so that it grows healthy. Once again, hope you liked the video. So if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and take care. Bye bye.